And good morning, Facebook. How are we today? Another bright and sunny day here in Cheshire. It's not bright and it's not sunny and it's still Baltic. Definitely not shorts weather. But we've got a surprise visitor in the hub today and new tool time. So, Kyle's here from Diagnostic Connections DC Tuning, and look what he's brought us. What have you brought us, mate?
Evo Scan Ultra Auto Fix.
Look at that, the Auto Fix Evo Scan Ultra. New tool time. Special delivery. You come up here just for a surprise visit.
Special present.
Oh mate, that's awesome. That is. So hey, let's unbox it. brand new, so it'll need setting up. Let's have a look what's in the box. Let's have a look. Ooh, nice hard plastic case. Like the orange. Like the orange. Ooh, that looks familiar, doesn't it? There's the VCI. So pass through enable 2534. Look at this little tablet. Look at that. Lovely little tablet that is. Brand new, never been opened. More orange. So we're not going to drop it. We're not going to lose it. Leave it in a car. Look at that bright orange. Auto Fix. Screen protector. What we've got there? USB-C, DC power. Headphone jack, USB, and the on button. Let's hit the on button. Is it going to power up? We ask ourselves. Or does it need charging first? There we go. Your friendly consultant. Who's that handsome bloke in that reflection? Oh, it's me. Oh, it's Kyle. It's definitely not Friday, February 23rd. And it's not 5:45 in the morning. You got the EULA there. Internet connection. Okay. Accept. Oh, that screen looks familiar, doesn't it? Hey, what's that based on? Looks like it's based on the Hotel family. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Morning, Ross. How are you, mate? Right, we're going to get this bad boy set up. Video review incoming. Kyle, thanks for coming, mate. You're awesome. Thanks, DC Connections.